Another headline out of Philadelphia today: there will be no deal with the owner of the shuttered Hahnemann Hospital. The city of Philadelphia was hoping to use it as overflow space during the coronavirus crisis. Natasha Brown has the latest on why the negotiations fell through, as well as the city's plan to help deal with the outbreak.
Today, we report that we have 127 new cases of the coronavirus diagnosed in Philadelphia residents, bringing us to a total of 475 since the beginning of the epidemic.
As Philadelphia continues to log more and more coronavirus cases by the day, city officials are taking drastic measures to slow the spread and protect residents and businesses. Thursday morning, City Council worked expeditiously to approve an $85 million emergency budget. City leaders began laying out plans as to how the funds will be used.
How are we responding to the health crisis? How are we dealing and working with our workers? How are we supporting our small businesses? And then how are we supporting people? Of the money, how much of it we expect to get federal reimbursements? What are some of the state reimbursements we expect? What will be the match required for the city? And then how do we do additional investment in people?
In the midst of the public health crisis, city officials also announced that talks have broken down with the owner of Hahnemann Hospital. The city hoped to use the now shuttered facility for isolation and quarantine if it became necessary.
We have ended negotiations with the owner of Hahnemann Hospital over potential use of that shuttered facility. We need to find facilities that could contain several hundred hospital beds. The Hahnemann building is vacant, but it is also in a state of disrepair.
City Council will be working very quickly to give final approval to this $85 million emergency budget next Thursday at their meeting. It will likely be a virtual meeting just to make sure that everyone stays safe. Natasha Brown, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.